Hello in there. Someone is inside. Is it the same person? Knock, knock. We always find a way inside. She's watching us. We have to leave now. We will see you again soon. I don't want to play hide and seek. I'm going to find a way inside. I'm gonna get inside! Don't hold it against us. Don't hold it against us. Don't hold it against us. You don't know what we've been.
Bon, say hi to our friends! Bon, say hi to our friends! I know you're over there somewhere! I know you're over there somewhere! I see you over there in the dark! Come on out! Hey, Bon, I think that's the birthday boy over there! We should go give him a surprise! Well, hello again! Well, hello again! Well, hello again! Are you ready for round two? Bon, let's not keep our friend waiting! Knock, knock! Anybody home? Oh, birthday boy! Ready or not, here I come! Get ready for a surprise! Bon, go get him! Hey, Bon, go get him! What a party pooper! Hey, kids! Glad to have you back again! Come closer! I'll sing a song for you! Hello, little children! Glad to see you back again! Come closer! I'll sing a song for you! This is my friend Bon! Say hi, Bon! See you over there in the dark! Come on out! We'll see you next time! Okay, let's go get him in 3, 2, 1. Oh, birthday boy! Come out wherever you are!
Calm down and go back to sleep. No one is here. Shh. Go back to your stage. Everything is okay. Oh, calm down. I think it was just a mouse. Nope, no one is here. Shh, it's bedtime. Let's go back to our stage. You must be hearing things, silly.
Is someone there? I can hear someone creeping through my room. Perhaps not. Save me a dance for another day, perhaps. Is it time for the show? Why do you hide inside your walls when there is music in my house? All I see is an empty room, no joy, an empty tune. It's so good to sing all day, to dance, to spin, to fly away. All I do is dance alone, but now I hear
Take me with you.
Why didn't you trust me? Why didn't you believe me? Sometimes I don't understand why people do the things that they do. I thought you liked me. I thought I did everything right. We don't want to hurt anyone. But we need you. We need you so that we can leave. We need you so that we can hide. We need you so that we can look like you. If they find us like this, we won't be able to try again. If they find us like this, we won't be able to try again. You must help us. You must let us inside the room. You must let us inside the room. Isn't this why you came here? To be with her again? I don't understand. You won't die, and it will only hurt for a moment. I will find a way out.
We need you so that we can hide. We need you so that we can leave. I know it was an accident. Isn't this why you came here? To be with me again? I don't understand. Everything is okay. I'm still here. Hello? 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 You have to let me inside the room. Daddy, why won't you let me play with her? Daddy, you let the other children go see her. Why won't you let me go? Daddy, just once let me go play with her. She's so pretty and shiny. Didn't you make her just for me? Daddy, she can make balloons. Have you seen her make balloons? Oh, Daddy, let me go to her. Daddy isn't watching. Don't tell Daddy that I'm here. I wanted to watch a show too. I don't know why he won't let me come see you. You're wonderful. Where did the other children go?
Father, it's me, Michael. I did it. I found it. It was right where you said it would be. They were all there. They didn't recognize me at first, but then they thought I was you. And I found her. I put her back together, just like you asked me to. She's free now. But something is wrong with me. I should be dead, but I'm not. I've been living in shadows. There is only one thing left for me to do now. I'm going to come find you. I'm going to come find you. She can dance. She can sing. She's equipped with a built-in helium tank for inflating balloons right at her fingertips. She can take song requests. She can even dispense ice cream.
There's no doubting what you've achieved on a technical level. These are clearly state-of-the-art. There are just certain design choices that were made for these robots that we don't fully understand. We were hoping that you could shed some light on those. With all due respect, Those aren't the design choices we were curious about, Mr. Afton.
Okay, bring her over. Forward. More. Okay, stop. Set her down. Watch the step.
What happened to it this time? It just seems like these things can't go a day without breaking down.
Who knows? It's always the same, man. Some kind of hardware malfunction.
Well, hey, I have to be somewhere in 15 minutes, and this place gives me the creeps. Can we just get this over with?
It's all automated. We don't have to be here for it. Just get her on the rollers and we can go.